morning, welcome back to BT. The Winnipeg Folk Fest gates open to more music this evening at 5, with entertainment starting up on the main stage at 6. And all the way from the Yukon, we're joined by Canadian-Swedish musician Sarah MacDougall.
That's right. She's warming up her lovely voice for tonight's Folk Fest appearance. She plays all weekend long, and she released her last album, The Greatest Ones Alive, to rave reviews. This is Sarah MacDougall on BT with Permafrost. It's yours.
You always think too much, the frown on your face, always thinking of your crush and the emptiness of space and the dreams you left behind. Doors never open, and following your heart left you cold and broken. And all the memories, do you let them go? Or do you just forget about the one you used to know? And the fires in your chest that never burnt out, they're bitter like the morning after a perfect summer night. You say I don't wanna dance, so just let me be. You don't want to spend the night with someone like me. And here's to the fires, here's to the girl who left me alone, alone in the world. 'Cause everything breaks and I'm so far away from home. You see ugly everywhere instead of beauty. You see cowardice instead of bravery. Good things don't come to those who wait. Nothing's real and everything is just too late. You say I don't wanna dance, so just let me be. You don't wanna spend the night with someone like me. And here's to the fires, here's to the girl who left me alone, alone in the world. 'Cause everything breaks and I'm so